In this video we are going to talk about how to find current date and time. So we have opened a worksheet and now write a function which is called today function. Today along with the parenthesis. Now hit enter and we have current date. This is a short date format. If you don't like the short date format, just press long date format and you will get Thursday along with October 24, 2024. But we didn't get the time. So in order to find time, we need to write another function which is called now function. Just write equal sign now along with a parenthesis, first bracket. Now hit enter and that's it. We have time as well as date of today. That's it. Thank you.